most amazing artists. Today we're going to do a Zentangle self-portrait. So to start, you're going to want a paper and a pencil. You want to use pencil so you can erase. When I draw, I like to practice with my finger first. So to draw my self-portrait, I'm going to draw like an upside down egg shape. I'm not drawing too big because I want to have room to make patterns in the background. And I'm not drawing too tiny either because then it's going to be hard to get the details. So I'm going to draw a medium-sized upside down egg in the middle of my paper like this.
Okay. Here.
And I'm going to draw light. That way I can erase.
Oh, wait.
So there, I've got an egg shape. Now I'm going to draw some guidelines.
Guidelines.
I'm going to draw a line right in the middle of my face, like this. And I'm drawing really lightly because I'm going to erase this. And then a line down. And these are just going to tell me where to put the parts of my face. Next thing I'm going to draw is the eyes. Where do you think the eyes are going to go?
That, right here.
A lot of people are going to say up here, but they're actually going to go right on this line, okay? They're actually right in the middle of your face, not up here, definitely not up here. I think we all know they're not down here, but they go right in the middle.
And the mouth goes down there through that line.
Yeah. So I'm just going to draw a football shape.
A football face?
Doesn't need to be perfect. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side.
And I will glue this down.
And if you want to do just a circle, if you want a cute cartoonish self-portrait, you can totally do that. Then I'm going to draw my eyes. I'm actually going to start with the eyelid. So I'm just going to draw another line like this and another line like this. You can totally skip the eyelid if you want. It's not necessary. Then I'm going to draw the iris. That's a circle. Same thing on the other side. If you're following along and I'm going too fast, just pause the video. And then I'm going to add the pupil. So that is the dark part in the middle of my eye. I know a lot of you like to add highlights like this. So if you want to do that, go for it. If not, you can just color the whole pupil in too. Next, I'm going to add some eyebrows. So I'm just going to sketch them over top. Your eyebrow should kind of follow the same shape as your eye, but you can use eyebrows to make expressions. If you point them down, it looks angry. I'm just proud of myself for remembering eyebrows because for some reason, I always forget. So I've got eyes and eyebrow. If you want, you can add eyelashes. I like to add eyelashes. I wear a lot of mascara, so you can usually see my eyelashes. Then we can add a nose, which gets a little bit tricky. I like to start here right in the middle. If you want to draw like another guideline, you can. And I just start with a really shallow U shape. Then I can kind of draw my nostrils on the side and then kind of connect them with an upside down U. If I want, I can draw lines up like this, but I really don't have to. And that's just one way to draw a nose. There's lots of different other ways to draw a nose. So if you know a way that works for you, go for it. Then last is our mouth. I'm just gonna draw a big smile because I love to smile. And I do want to add some teeth, but I'm not going to draw each individual tooth. I'm just going to draw a couple lines and then a curvy line look like that. Now I got a big cheesy grin. So I'm kind of liking how this looks. I kind of look like an alien because I'm bald. So I probably want to think about adding some hair. I also want to think about adding ears. Your ears are actually going to go right here at this guideline, right in the middle of your eye, to the bottom of your nose. And your ear is just a C shape. Doesn't have to get super fancy. Looking less like an alien already. Now I get to do the hair. So you see all this space. My forehead is not that big. It's because my hair actually starts about here in the middle. So when you start the hair, you're gonna wanna kind of come up from your ears. If you have a mirror, now is a great time to go look in the mirror and see what your hair looks like. My hair parts on the side. And I've even got a little bit on the top, and it kind of comes down.
Too big.
I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm just drawing loose, sketchy lines so I can erase. I also need a neck. So if I want a neck, I'm just gonna draw 2 lines down. I'm going to connect them with a curve. Then I'm just going to draw some shoulders out. I'm going to finish up my hair now. Looking good, but I forgot one thing right up here. I have not been wearing them much lately, but I still need them to see, and that's my glasses. So I'm just gonna sketch them across my face. And I think my glasses are the reason I always forget to draw my eyebrows. Because my glasses kind of cover up my eyebrows, because I like to wear big glasses. All right, so here it is. Now I'm gonna get an eraser and erase some of these lines I don't like. All right, now I like how this looks. So what I'm gonna do is take a marker and trace over all of these lines. Okay, now that I've outlined everything in marker, I'm gonna erase these pencil lines. So now we get to move on to my favorite part of this project, and that's the Zentangle. What you're gonna do is just divide your paper up into a few sections. You can do straight lines, wavy lines, zigzag lines. It does not matter. You just want a couple sections. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's actually kind of a lot, so if you have less than that, that's fine. Then you're gonna do the Zentangling. So each spot is gonna have a different pattern. You've got a pattern handout to look at. So you just get started and start drawing. One of my favorite things to Zentangle is circles. So I'm just gonna start with circles. And I'm not really thinking about it. I'm just kind of doing it, and I'm getting into the zone and drawing my circles. Circles, 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 yeah. You guys probably don't know this, but sometimes I like to sing while I draw. Voila, there's my circles. So once I'm done with this section, I can move on to another section and keep adding more patterns. Okay, so that's it, my finished Zentangle self-portrait. I filled in the whole background. I even did my shirt. I'm gonna be honest, if I were to do this again, I'd probably leave my shirt blank. At this point, you can be finished, or if you want to color it in, you can color it in. You can color in maybe just one color for emphasis, maybe focus on the background. I don't know, that's up to you. But I like how it looks in black and white, so I'm gonna leave mine like this. All right, that's it, a Zentangle self-portrait. Have fun, amazing artists. Circle, 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 circle. This is my circle song. Jamming along to my circle song. Circle song. Jamming along to my circle song.